Okay, my name is Lucy. I'm not a makeup artist, but I do whatever I do. I'm a mother of 5, married to my husband, going on 16 years already. We're not married, but involved, you know what I mean? But y'all can follow me on Instagram, TikTok. I have Snapchat and I have Facebook. This is gonna be my first YouTube video. I'm just kind of nervous about the look I had today. I think I did a great job for being the first time doing something like that. I'll be doing more looks if you want to follow my journey. I have been doing like tutorial little by here, but you could follow me. I guess that's it to say. I'll see you next time. Bye. Okay, I'm starting my brows first. It's morphe by M158, and I'm doing Karen Beauty by Chocolate. In the background, if you hear the kids, that's my kids in the way. And I just keep on drawing my brows. I just keep on drawing it. And then after that, I'm gonna use a morphe by C165. I use that on my top, and the C145 I use it on the bottom, and I blend it with my concealer brush. I had bought it from Boxy back in 2 years from now. And then I will just do, I'm started doing the top now, and then I will blend it, and I will keep on blending it. If you see me messing up, please don't forgive me. This is my first time doing it. I'm just keep on concealing it. You can see my brows. That's the only thing I would do in the most of the day. I want my brows to be perfect. And I'm starting with the palette called Gold Star by California. The colors that came out pretty. I want to start purple next, but anyways, if you see me blend in, it's like a purplish color, but it came out pretty. It's pretty color, and I did like a little gold in the middle, you know what I mean? A little purple at the edge. But you can see that at the end of the video, you will see how I did my looks. This will be my first time doing this video, so please forgive me if I mess up. Now I'm doing white concealer it, and this one's by morphe, about C000. It's the same. It's a white color. And if you hear my kids, just forgive it. They're all up on me trying to see what I'm doing about the talking to y'all. You know what I mean? Now I'm starting my face. I'm starting the primer and everything. And you see me starting out my primer. I'm just rubbing it all on my face. And then I'm starting my foundation. Then you see me foundation my face, and I'm just blending everything, blend. You see my mirror? No, I'm sorry about my mirror. It's in the way, but I'm doing it. I'm just blending the foundation, I just keep on blending it. Now I'm doing concealer on it. This one I'm doing from Tarte. This one's from Tarte.
In the background.
I'm starting blending the foundation. I mean the concealer. I'm sorry about that. When you have kids, you always forget. You see me doing my brows and bronzer and all that. Okay, and then there's my daughter in the background. She's in the background. Just want to view the video.
Hi.
She's saying hi now. Okay, now I'm doing my powder. You can see me patting the powder on my face, and I'm doing highlight. I did the off camera my lashes and my
lipstick.
No, I didn't do the lipstick yet. Oh, there's my daughter again. Now I'm doing the lipstick right now. You can see I'm doing the lipstick. There she is in the mirror, just pulling her ponytail. You get to see her. She's crazy. Well, you have almost 10-year-olds, she would act like that.
I'm very sweet.
And there's my look. If you like it, I hope so.